It's around 4:30 a.m. in Srinagar and we are planning to go to Barafsir. So we are traveling towards Barafsir, Sonmarg first, and we'll go move towards Barafsir. So we are starting the trek to Dirnar first, second, and Barafsir. This is Sarbal. It's around 6 a.m. and we start walking from the Sarbal. We basically start early in the morning around 3:30 from Srinagar. Reached here by 6 and now we are walking slowly towards Sarbal Valley. We have been stopped by the security forces that we cannot go beyond this point because of some security issues. We planned something else, so let's move. Unplanned travel starts now. So stay with us in next video. We'll show you kahan pahunche hum.